Alright, welcome everyone to Ryan Richards Slots. I'm here at Potawatomi Hotel and Casino in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I'm trying my luck today on an ultimate Firelink explosion. Alright, let's get to it. So my ticket is in a little over $300. These are the progressives up above that I will be playing for. In order to be eligible for the jackpot, you have to do a minimum of $375 or higher. So that's what I'm going to do. So I need any 4 of those fireballs or any 3 of those treasure chests in the middle 3 reels in order to get into the bonus. That monkey up there can fire down fireballs or just throw them down at any time. There's 2 nice ones, 2 more. Ah, nice numbers. Let's hope I can get that again. Make sure that volume is all the way up on this machine. The winnability feature. Ah, 1 more chest and I would have had it. All right, 2. Come on, 2 more. It's throwing down some nice numbers. I just cannot get the 4. That umbrella thing must be wild. All right. Come on, let's get something to line up here. Treasure chest. Needed 1 in the middle. Would have been in the bonus. All right, starting off with some wilds there. Come on, fireballs or monkey, throw some fireballs down. Jeez. 2. Well, that would have been the time when I needed him to throw 2 down. All right, that's a wilds. 2075 line hit. Oh, all those wilds. Come on. Wow. $45 one. Hopefully all those fireballs are getting synced up. They sure aren't landing. Come on. Tough game to get a bonus on, it seems. I got 2 of them, 2 more, come on. Oh, missed the treasure chest. Again, back to back, missed it. Jeez. What's going on here? Come on, mini. $15 mini. I think that monkey's gonna have to throw more than 2 fireballs down in order for me to get into that bonus. Oh, there we go. Never mind. Finally. Jeez. Made me work for that bonus. Wow. I would see if we get something with letters now to drop, maybe. Saw that mini before, so I know it's there. All right. Oh, a big one way up top. Was that $375 one? 1 more, unlock that next row. Let's do it. All right, 2 more, unlock that next row. Get some nice numbers to drop. Come on, let's keep it going. Oh, come on. 1 more, save it, anywhere. Oh, jeez. Can never make it to the top when you get a nice number way up there. All right, let's see how I did. right, 118.75. That kind of puts me right back where I was. Oh, 126.75. I'm sorry. All right, I'll just play down to 300 even. Fun game, but a tough game to get the bonus on. No. All right, I'll do a few more spins, and then I'll be off to hopefully find that next lucky winning slot machine. Last spin coming in. I would start it off nice. 2. All right, so that's where I'm going to call it a session on the Ultimate Firelink Explosion. Basically, you started with a little over 300 and finishing up at 300. Did finally get a bonus. At the very top row, there was a $375 one, but unfortunately just couldn't make it all the way to the top, but that's how it goes. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.